So you wanted to download out your designs from Canva. Here is a really easily and complete guide of how you can actually get started. So learn exactly how to download your design from Canva in high quality. Let's go for the first step. So you don't need to take screenshots of your Canva designs. It ruins the quality and looks completely unprofessional. In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to do this process really easily. So the first step is to locate the downloaded menu. So once your design is ready, let's say for example this, you don't know how to download it, right? So I'm in an actual computer, but this process actually is going to be really easily, and you can be doing this into your model as well. So once your design is ready, look at the top right corner of your screen where it says share. Now here into share, this doesn't mean that you give access to copy the link, Instagram, publish, whatever. Just look out for the element that says the drop down, where it says this drop down, it will be showing you the element that says download. So try to scroll a little bit down or click into the element that says see all. So you can see that it says here save, download. This is the actual element that we're actually looking for. When I click directly inside here, it will be telling you what is the actual file name that you will be having for your actual design. Let's say for example that this is an actual image that I wanted to publish into Instagram. So you can whether choose this one or PNG file, only these two. And if you see directly down here, it has like a subtitle of what this actual file type does, if you don't know what file types are. For example, GIF is like a short clip, no sound. PPTX is just for Microsoft PowerPoint. MP4 is for a high quality video. SVG is for web design and animations. PDF are documents, and PNG complex images, and JPG best for sharing. So let's go for this one that says best for sharing, and you can even see the icon of the symbol of an image, document, imaged, or in this case it could be like a design or an animation. This is for video, this is for GIF, and this is for presentation. So take that in mind. And now if you click into advanced settings, you can change the different size, and you can get of course more quality. And if you wanted to get more quality, you can change it from medium to high. Now these two have this specific crown. Now the elements that have this crown means that you are only able to change that settings if you are like a client from Canva Pro. So if you wanted to try out Canva Pro, I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description, so you can be using all the tools that Canva Pro has to offer to us. There are thousands of templates, there are tons of settings, there are tons of even artificial intelligence tools that you can use with Canva Pro. So you have that link directly into the description. 30 days, no cost. And once you finish with this element, click into this section that says download, and just like that, your document, your file, your image will be downloaded right away. Usually it's going to be asking you where would you like to save this. In my case, since I'm into my computer, I'm going to be saving this into my download section, and you can be changing the file name. Let's say for example post, Instagram, and the date, today's date. And there we go. I'm going to click into show in File Explorer just to see that my design is into my computer. So I go for always, and here's my design downloaded. So finally, you are now ready to go. So it is honestly that simple. If this video takes your time, hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward Canva tutorials. Let me know in the comments below what you're designing today, and I'll see you, well, next time.